How do you make a woman feel genuine desire for you, even when she seems completely uninterested? Hi, I'm Teal Swan, and today we're diving into something most men never truly understand. You know that situation where you're talking to a woman who seems incredible, yet you can feel that her interest just isn't there. You try being kind, you give attention, you put in effort, but somehow, the more you try, the more distance appears between you. Here's what most men don't realize. You're likely not doing the wrong things. You're just doing the right things in the wrong order. Attraction doesn't build the way logic does. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 psychological triggers that actually create desire. And I'll tell you right now, the last one is extremely powerful. It can shift everything quickly, yet almost no one applies it correctly. Before we continue, you need to hear this clearly. This was never your fault. No one ever taught you this. School didn't explain it. Society didn't explain it. Female attraction isn't logical. It's emotional. While you were trying to prove you'd be a good partner through words and reasoning, her deeper mind was picking up on completely different signals without you even noticing. Research in evolutionary psychology shows that attraction often works through mental shortcuts, deep patterns the brain reacts to automatically. Once you understand them, everything changes. You stop chasing. You stop forcing. You naturally become the kind of man women feel drawn to. Let's begin with the first trigger, masculine presence. This has nothing to do with muscles or appearance. It's about energy. When you walk into a room, do you take up space, or do you shrink yourself? Women sense this within seconds. A man who moves with calmness, who isn't rushing, who doesn't scan the room for approval, communicates value without saying a word. That grounded energy is rare, and rarity creates attraction far faster than words ever will. Picture yourself at a bar or a social gathering. Instead of nervously looking around, you relax. Your shoulders are steady. Your breathing is slow. You observe without tension. That small shift completely changes how women perceive you. Her subconscious radar activates. She senses something different, not because you tried harder, but because you became more centered within yourself. The second trigger is emotional challenge. Most men agree with everything a woman says. They think agreement builds attraction. It doesn't. Light tension, when done playfully, actually fuels attraction. When you gently disagree or tease, you create polarity. And polarity creates magnetism. For example, she says she loves waking up early. Instead of agreeing, you smile and say, "Really? You look more like a snooze-button champion." It's playful, not insulting. That subtle challenge shows confidence. You're not afraid to express yourself. You're not trying to impress. You're engaging. Attraction needs contrast, not constant agreement. The third trigger is selective attention. This is where many men lose control. They give too much attention too quickly. Instant replies, canceling plans, always being available. The female mind often interprets this as low value. A man with options isn't always available. You need to be interested, but also have a life beyond her. Purpose is attractive. When you have goals, hobbies, friendships, and direction, your time becomes valuable. You stop revolving around her world, and that creates curiosity. She becomes drawn to a man who already has a full life, not someone who drops everything for her. Scarcity builds interest, not through games, but through balance. The fourth trigger is intentional listening, not just hearing her words, but truly remembering what she says. When you recall small details she mentioned casually and bring them up later, you instantly stand out. Emotional connection grows from feeling seen. For example, she mentions she loves orchids. Days later, you send her a photo of one and say, "It reminded you of her." That level of attention is powerful. It shows presence. It shows care. And care, when combined with strength, is deeply attractive. This builds emotional connection much faster than compliments ever could. The fifth trigger is calibrated vulnerability. Many men believe they need to appear flawless and unbreakable. But women don't connect with perfection. They connect with authenticity. When you share something real, a past struggle or fear, Without playing the victim, you become relatable, human, grounded. Vulnerability, when paired with emotional stability, builds trust, and trust opens the door to desire. True strength isn't hiding flaws, it's being comfortable with them. The sixth trigger is gradual physical touch. Science shows that light, respectful touch releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. A brief touch on the arm during laughter, a soft brush on the shoulder while walking. Nothing forced, nothing rushed. These small moments create positive physical associations. Her brain starts linking your presence with comfort and warmth. And finally, the seventh trigger, the most powerful one, controlled unpredictability. The brain craves dopamine, and dopamine is released through rewarding uncertainty. When you're slightly unpredictable, you become fascinating. This doesn't mean being inconsistent or unstable. It means balance. Sometimes you're warm, sometimes you challenge, sometimes you initiate, sometimes you step back. You maintain a sense of mystery, and mystery keeps her thinking about you, even when you're not around. Now you have real tools, not tricks. Use them with intention. Use them with respect. You don't need perfection. You need awareness. And here's what most men miss. Attraction rarely happens in one dramatic moment. It builds through small emotional experiences over time. A glance that lasts just a second longer than expected. A conversation that leaves her smiling after you've already left. A moment where she catches herself thinking about you without knowing why. That's how desire begins. Quietly, deeply, and then it grows. A woman usually isn't drawn to the man who tries the hardest. She's drawn to the man who makes her feel something real without forcing it. The man who stays centered while others become needy. The man who brings calm instead of pressure, confidence instead of chasing, presence instead of performance. That kind of energy stays with her long after the moment ends. And this is where patience becomes powerful. Most men rush because they want certainty, immediate signs, immediate results. But attraction often develops beneath the surface before it becomes visible. She may seem distant at first, hard to read, but emotional interest can grow slowly when your actions remain consistent and your energy stays grounded. The key is to stop trying to convince her and start allowing her to feel. Let the interaction breathe. Let curiosity build naturally. Let her wonder about you. Let her notice the difference between how you carry yourself and how other men behave around her. Because desire is never created through pressure. It grows through contrast, mystery, comfort, tension, and release, through moments that feel natural, yet leave a lasting impact. And when she begins to associate your presence with confidence, emotional safety, and a sense of excitement she can't quite explain, that's when everything changes. Suddenly, she notices you more. She starts initiating conversations. She remembers small details. She invests more. Not because you chased harder, not because you forced chemistry, but because you understood something deeper. You understood that attraction isn't about trying to be chosen. It's about becoming the man she naturally feels drawn to. And the moment you truly understand that, everything begins to shift. The moment you stop chasing validation and start standing firmly in your own power is the moment she begins to see you differently.